Okay, palakpakan natin si Ate Teng. Happy birthday! Okay, kasi siya yung lagi naghahanda ng inyong pagkain. Sabi mo, thank you!
Unawain mo or understand this. Yun, yung unawain. Mahalaga po na maunawaan po natin yung nangyayari po para po tayo mga tao
confidence inside. Only they want to tell you what is good. For a sister, we can say, I am like this, I am like this, I love, I go to meetings, I visit, I have prayer meetings. This is what you say. This is...
Tumayo kayo dyan.
Di na makabusog.
Akala nyo mabubusog kayo niyan? Sa salita niyan. Wala kayo dyan. That's why.
Not too much.
Yeah, you eat na, get something you want, pancit.
Eh?
Pancit.
Eh.
These noodles.
But she is generous. She gives